Hi guys, I am Sailesh A. Padmanabhan. In this video, we are going to discuss what are arrays and how arrays are applied in C#. So what are arrays? An array is a group of values stored at adjacent memory location. Elements in an array can be accessed using index position. An array has a fixed size. Array in C# and VB.NET are reference type. Let's understand array in a better way. There are some advantages of using an array. Accessing value in an array is easy compared to accessing individual variable, as we have to access array using a common name. Array can be iterated upon using a loop. It can be a for loop or a while loop. An array is useful for maintaining a small list of values. There are some disadvantages of using an array. Can store only value of single data type. An array has fixed size that cannot be changed at runtime. So, if you want to create an array that can store values dynamically, you will have to use collections. So, for a larger list, an array is not a manageable solution. Let's understand array creation with the help of an example. For this example, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, let us write a program to understand array. An array can be declared at class level or inside a function. Before declaring an array, we have to mention data type. If you want to store integer values, you will have to use int. Similarly, if you want to store string values, you will have to declare string. The box notation tells the compiler that this is an array. After declaring an array, we have to initialize an array. Initialization requires use of new keyword, data type, and size of an array. That is, how many values are we going to store inside an array. Remember, size of an array is fixed. It cannot be changed at runtime. So we are going to store 5 values inside this array. Values inside this array can be assigned using index position, one at a time. Indexing starts from 0. Values stored inside an array can be accessed using index position, or we can also use a loop to access values from an array. There are different types of loops available to access values from an array. One of these loops is a for each loop. In a for each loop, we don't have to mention index position. Values will be accessed automatically from an array and stored inside variable declared in for each loop. So in this video, we discussed what are arrays in C# and how they are applied. In the next video, we will discuss what is a two-dimensional and multi-dimensional array. Bye for today.